Hello friends, welcome back. This is Alam and I am from Jharkhand, and as you know I am an English learner. So today I am going to speak about my English journey and what I am doing for improving my English. Okay. So my effort is very simple for improving this English language, and as I can say, it is happened because of my effort, because of my hard work. Because as you know, every day I make a video for improve my English, and it is not only one way for improve my English, it is a show you for how can I speak, but it is one way, but I have or few things for improve my English. Like I am reading English book lots every day, and what should I do? Because I was thinking, I have not English book, so how can I read? But it is very simple, and it is I get very easily through the ChatGPT, and I use ChatGPT for improve my English as well. And ChatGPT every day gives me a topic for speaking and reading. Okay, and the second thing is I am writing lots. After reading, I memorized myself and try to write, because it is a good for improve your English. Reading also writing. Right, you can memorize the word, and that's why also I am writing lots and lots. Okay, and the third thing is repeat after listening. You know friends, nowadays you can get easily any topic on YouTube, and also I am doing these activities for improve my English. Like when I get free time, so I open YouTube and start watching any video related English, and after watching I try to repeat the same sentence and same types of content I want to make myself. You know friends, you can't do anything without practice by self. That's why I am doing these activities. Why I am making this video, you know very well, but as I know it is a good way for improve my English, and I can share my all things related English on my YouTube. That's why I am making this video. So friends, if you want improve your English and you have not friend, you have not English environment, so no need to think about it, and you can start your speaking journey with ChatGPT as well as on your YouTube channel. Okay, and very simple tricks how to memorize for a long times, because I know every day I reading some vocabulary, some idioms, and some phrase for speaking, but while the speaking I get stuck. So how can I memorize for a long times, and how can I use while the speaking? Okay, so also I am applying like this activity, so I want to share to you. You know, when we read any book like English, so try to read loudly. Okay, and when you memorize any vocabulary and idiom, try to memorize loudly, because it will be better for you, and you can make a good pronunciations, and your mind will be stay on the topic. Okay, you know friends, when we read in mind, so we are not able to memorize properly, because you know friends, our mind is very joyful. Our mind wanted to enjoy, but we have to stop. Okay, and we have to focus on our study and learning journey. So no need to speak slowly. Try to speak, try to read loudly and very confidently. You know friends, we know English little bit, but we are not try to speak while the conversation. That is big mistake for us. As you know, it is doesn't matter how many vocabulary do you know, how many idioms do you know, just speak as you know, and no matter you are making mistake or not, matter is you are speaking or not, you are trying or not. And every day try to find out new vocab, new idioms, new phrase for improve your English, and figure out yourself. When you get free time, try to speak by self, and definitely you can do. English not a difficult language. If you are thinking like this, so please stop learning this language, because English is a very simple language. If you want to improve, if you want to learn, so you can learn easily, but you have to be patient, and you have to effort lots, you have to practice lot for learning this English language and improving your English. Okay friends, so as I said, you should do 3 or 5 activities for improve your English, for learning your English. Like first, read loudly, and after reading, write in your notebook, and watch any video and repeat after watching, after listening, and try to make a video on your phone, try to speak in front of mirror. And if you want improve your English by self, so you can use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has every problems solutions. Okay, so please don't waste your time and connect with me. I am learning this language, and if you want improve your English with me, so please comment me, and I will share my Insta ID, and we will practice together. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and be patient, keep learning, because big things takes time.